Hi guys, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Camilla, and we're here at Hogsmill River visiting rewilding organisation Citroen Zoo.
And we're here today to learn a little bit about their water vole project, so let's go check it out. Ben, Elliot.
Hey, lovely to meet you. How are you doing?
So guys, tell us a little bit about Citroen Zoo.
Community is at the heart of our conservation programme, so enabling people to be conservationists in a world where humans and wildlife can coexist together, not just in rural environments but also in urban environments like this too.
How does your partnership with Citroen help support your work?
So Citroen have been amazing. They've given us this fantastic electric van in which we can put our tools in to go around to support our volunteering events, and sometimes we even carry species around in here like potentially water voles and grasshoppers. So without this van, all of our conservation programmes would be compromised. So it really is an integral part of what we do.
Yeah, we've been hearing lots of amazing things about your water vole project. We actually saw a really cute vole on the back of this van.
Point to the beaver.
It's a really incredible project. It started back in 2017 really, when water voles went locally extinct here on the river. Water voles have the unfortunate title of being the UK's fastest declining mammal. As little as 77,000 water voles across the country when they should be found in their millions. Since then we've had about 350 local volunteers get involved with the project, with everything from helping us survey the river right through to the actual reintroduction itself.
Are we going to see some? Are you hopeful? What's that?
They're very cryptic species, but we introduced 101 of them just last year, just over there, and they're sort of expanding out and doing their thing, so there might be a chance of spotting them.
And how can people support you or get involved?
We have lots of volunteering opportunities on our website, so you can sign up to a volunteering newsletter to hear all about those. And then also, if people would like to support Citroen Zoo, we've got a membership scheme where you can become a member and help to financially support some of our projects going forward.
Well, we're really excited to help out today, so let's get stuck in.
Great, so let's grab our stuff out of the van and get in the river.
Beautiful.
I'm just embarrassed because it's on camera, but I'm fine.
Give you guys
Thank
trowel
you.
each. So these are what are called pedunculous sedge, and they will actually use that to nest in, which is quite handy. Yeah.
Oh.
This is one of our floating rafts. We open this up. As anything runs through this tunnel, they will step onto this and they'll leave their footprints. It was specifically built for things called American mink, non-native species that come in and predate on water voles. You'll be able to see ourselves on that. You can see your hand. They're triggered by heat and movement, and so we can see what's running through here, but also what's going through the river and stuff. Oh, good stuff.
Guys, thanks so much for having us. That was like really good fun,
Yeah,
wasn't it?
such a good day. Honestly, it made me feel a bit like a kid again, just being able to help out with some of those little activities and getting in touch with wildlife.
Talking about being a kid again, we've got a 1 and a 2-year-old at home. I think getting kids involved, I know Nell would love this, and obviously Nora as they grow up, planting that seed in the next generation while they're young to do amazing things like this.
Well, it's been amazing to have you guys out today, and you've been fantastic. And you'll be welcome back anytime, you and your children, to get yourself out in the river.
Definitely. Thank you
Thanks,
so
guys.
much.
Thanks so much.
Cheers, guys. Oh, is that everything?
Yeah.
Great.
As well.
Oh.